Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, it's cool Miss right here, and basically what this is a shower curtain. It's not like a regular shower curtain. The way how they designed the shower curtain is like a waffle design. If you guys can see right there. Definitely looks very nice and actually feels really nice as well. Like even before I actually opened up the package, I can definitely feel that premium material that they use on here. It definitely feels like a high quality fabric. Some cool features or specs that I actually mention about the product is the fact that it's water repellent, it's rust resistant, and it's supposed to feel really soft when you guys actually feel the product, which we'll test out in a second. So for this product, they mentioned how they don't provide you guys the shower curtain hooks. So you definitely need to have your own one before you guys purchase this product right here. And for this product, they actually have it in many different sizes and different colors. So you definitely want to do your own measurement and research to see which one you prefer. But the one that we got here is a 72 by 72, and this is a cream color. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see this is basically what the fabric looks like. It definitely feels really nice and very soft like it mentions. But let me actually stand up and give you guys another point of view of the product when we open it up. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's open it up. You can see the product is definitely really long. Inside they do have the little cardboard right here. So I probably can't fit the whole entire thing in the screen, but I'll definitely show you guys a better view of the product once we set it all up. But when you guys look at the top part right here, they definitely have these high quality material right here. So that way you can actually put in your shower curtain hooks inside right here. And the bottom part doesn't have like any magnet or anything to hold it down. But the fabric is already pretty heavy, so that's why you guys don't need it. So this is basically what the shower curtain looks like before we actually install it. So for the shower curtain, after you guys finish using it for each one of your showers, you definitely want to pull it open and let it air dry. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. Let me actually bring this over to the shower room to show you guys how to install it and what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have an old shower curtain that I've been using every day. Let me actually take this out and install the new one to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I just want to take out each one individually and take it out. And while I'm taking this off, I want to take the other one and put it on, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for us to install later on. So when you guys install the product, you guys want to make sure this side is the front, because the other side right here will definitely have like the dress inside right here, and that will be the inside. So you're going to hook it inside right here and lock it in. Do the same thing for each one of them. So obviously when you use the product, you guys want to pull it open, just like that. Very easily. And then when you guys are done showering, you definitely want to pull it back. So that way the product can air dry and dries much faster. Because if you guys clump it all together, it will not dry fast. But this is basically what the product looks like. You can see it definitely feels really nice. Let me show you guys another point of view of the product from top to bottom to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here's the top to bottom view of what the product looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And definitely has very good coverage and see how far it goes to the ground. But obviously when you guys use the product, you guys want to push this back in. So just like that. And when you guys feel the fabric on here, it definitely feels super heavy, so you don't have to worry about like the curtain flying all over the place. You actually will keep that position in the bottom right there, which is pretty awesome. And on top of that, when you guys put water on here, it makes it a lot heavier as well. So you definitely don't have to worry about the curtain flying all over the place when you guys actually use it. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. Let me actually do a quick water resistant test to see whether or not it's actually water resistant first. Alright, so let me actually turn on the water first. Alright, so we got the water. Let's test that out. Alright, so you can see the product is definitely water resistant. If you guys can see how the water repels off the shower curtain, that's how you guys know the product is water resistant. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to install if you can see it from the video. And the shower curtain is definitely water resistant like I mentioned, which is pretty awesome. But definitely one thing to remember is that every time you guys finish showering, you definitely want to open up the shower curtain and let it air dry if you guys want to prolong the life of the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a premium and luxury kind of look to a shower curtain that's also water resistant and rust resistant, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.